Hi, I'm Barb from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop, and I want to talk to you about some of the feet that came in the Baby Lock 12-foot kit.
Whoa!
12 feet. Today I'm going to talk...
I need them all.
Yeah, you do. You need them all. Today I'm going to talk about the open toe foot.
Ooh,
Pretty cool foot. It is a cool foot. I'm on the crescendo today, and I love this machine. Let me show you some differences. I'm going to drop this other foot off. This is the J foot. This is one that you normally are going to sew with. This will be the regular everyday sewing.
Okay.
All right, this is the open toe foot.
Almost the same.
Well, this one, you see how it's open right there? It's called open toe.
Oh, that's what it means.
Also, it's a plastic, so you can see through it.
Oh, okay.
But there's another big difference. Turn them over. This one is the regular foot that you use. It has a flat bottom where you can engage in the feed dogs all the time.
Oh,
okay? This one right here, can you kind of see it has a groove underneath there? Can you catch the light just right? There's a groove right between right there.
Okay, it
this
goes
one is
down
flat.
in. It's not flat. Yep. Okay.
All right, that makes it so more thread can pass underneath, or so the machine can move around.
Oh, so your decorative stitches that might have quite a few in it.
Right. It will be able to pass underneath. Now, if you're trying to do a straight stitch, a 1/4 inch, a beautiful 1/4 inch, you want to use this foot, not this foot, because this will allow the fabric to wiggle. So it has to wiggle sometimes to do those decorative stitches.
Okay.
So you don't want to use this foot to do straight stitching. This is your foot. So I'm going to put this one away for right now.
I learned so much. I don't even think about it. I just go, it's a foot on my machine.
No,
big deal.
Not at all. Okay. Now I'm going to choose just a decorative stitch. Now, and there's another great thing for this if I'm going to do applique.
Okay.
Okay, in fact, let me go to an applique stitch. A good applique stitch is going to be Q12 on the Destiny, or on the crescendo, sorry. All right, if I'm going to do an applique stitch, then I would be right there. I'm going to touch my what is that called?
Foot?
My foot up, foot down.
Yeah.
That will give me the opportunity when I take my foot off the gas, it will raise the foot. Now watch how this goes. Now if I were, there's a beautiful, and there I want to turn a corner right there. I need both hands on the project.
Instead of trying to crunch it around and get in a pucker.
And there I go. I'm going to go again. And maybe I just want to go one more stitch. And I just want to make it a slight movement.
Look at you.
I can, because both of my hands are right on the project. It only comes up when I lift my foot up or down.
Wow, that's awesome.
There I go. And I could do anything.
Now, one more thing. Can't you, I don't know, on this machine, you can change your stitch to go the other way, huh?
Yes, you can. You can do a mirror image. All right, so now we're going to leave that for the moment.
Aren't you impressed, Barb? I knew that.
You are. You're pretty darn smart. All right, so I'm going to turn my pivoting feature off, which is this button right over here. I'm going to turn it off because I don't need it at this point. I'm going to do some decorative stitches. I'm going to go into my decorative window.
Oh, we got a reflection on the window.
Oh, sorry about that.
Go around the other side.
Okay. Got that?
Yeah, I think
now I want to find something that's got some beautiful stitches in there that I need to have. Let me find something. Oh, let me get these flowers. Those are really pretty. So that is going to allow all that thread.
I'm coming around.
Okay, come right around to move underneath my foot. It's not going to get hung up on the foot. And you see how it is able to move? The fabric can move. Now I could do this with my J foot. I could, but maybe different fabrics might get hung up somewhere. This is a pretty easy fabric I'm working with. But look how beautiful that is. Not an issue. Just slides right through.
That'd be cute on the edge of a baby blanket.
Yeah, it would. All right, so now my challenge is go find your open toe foot, get the 12-foot kit, and use it.
And do we have those in stock?
We do.
All right.
Now your machine comes with a lot of different feet.
It only fits on some
13,
machines?
no, it fits on all the Baby Lock machines. Your machine will come with up to 13, 15 feet. There's just a few extra feet that don't come with your machine that you're going to want. And
Okay.
this is one of them.
So we watch these videos and we'll decide which ones we want,
Yeah,
huh?
there you go. Look how pretty that is.
That is really
It
sweet.
is.
Sweet.
All right.
Good job, Barb.
Thank you.